Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I have got a stuffed King Cole box, so let's see what's in this box, what new yarn they're bringing out. I'm going to open up the box. I don't want Muttley to get his paws on this box, so I'm going to open up the box. So we'll get this box opened up. Oh my gosh, this one is stuffed. I'm going to move it aside a little bit. So we've got the chocolate and the pen and the bag and the little badges that we normally get. I'm going to put that aside because I think this box is absolutely stuffed. This is, oh my goodness, this is the Aran Crescendo. Wow. This is King Cole's Crescendo Aran yarn. Wow. Oh my goodness. Look at that. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 colours in this. It's a little bit like that twist because there seems to be a white twist through all of this. I will admit it's a lot more visible than that other yarn that I had with a twist. Now it says introducing Crescendo Aran, a symphony of softness crafted from 100% premium acrylic. This yarn is perfect for knitters ready to compose their next masterpiece and crocheters. Is that crocheters a word? And people who crochet or other crafts. With a rich texture that flows like a well-tuned melody, Crescendo Aran hits all the right notes, offering durability and warmth in every stitch. Whether you're crafting a cosy sweater or a harmonious scarf, this yarn keeps rhythm with your creativity, allowing your projects to crescendo into something truly beautiful. Let your needles dance to the music of Crescendo Aran, where every stitch is a key to perfection. It's crescendo. Yes, it's crescendo. That is beautiful. Look at that. Now let's have a little look at the colours. I'll keep this. There is one that's called Serenade, one that's called Tempo, Rhapsody, Encore, Lullaby, Sonata, Adagio, Vibrto. I better be careful how I say that. Vibrato. Bretto. Can you read that? That one's Agodeo. Well, let's have a look at this. This box is, oh my goodness, this box is stuffed. It is stuffed. Now, I got 3 balls of each of the colours. Now, we'll take 2 out and set them aside. And oh, look at those ones. Now, look at that. That is I love these new labels. I really like these new labels. That is beautiful. Just my colours. Look at all that. Sort of toffee and coffee. Now, it's 100% a premium acrylic. It's got approximately 240 yards, that's 220 metres. It's 100 grams in weight. Now, in the UK, in the USA, Aran weight is a weight 4. It's a weight 4. Now, that's kind of squidged out. This is Encore. This one, the number is 5765 if you like this one. This one is Encore. Absolutely beautiful. It tells you can wash it at 30 wash. Don't iron it, don't bleach it. You can put it in the tumble dryer on cool. I can't remember what the A means. Tells you to use a 5mm crochet hook, which is a US 8. I would use a 4.5 for me because I crochet quite slack and I always drop a half size. That is a beautiful. It is soft. It's really soft. So that one is the Encore. This one's nice. We'll do this one. We'll take these ones out so we can see what's underneath. We'll take these two out, pop them there. Now, this is the other one of that one. This one is a Lullaby. This one's Lullaby. The number for this is 5764. This is pretty. That's beautiful. That making beautiful sweaters and cardigans. Hats, scarves, even blankets. Those two match together, don't they? So that's the Encore, and that one's the Lullaby. Now, we'll get on because there's more. There is this one is the Adagio. The Adagio. Am I saying that right? Leave me a message and spell it out the way. It's like doing this when you're a child. You know, the teacher tells you to break it down, Alison, break it down. Adagio. That's what I'm going with. Then the shade number is 5766. That's beautiful. Look at those greens, and they've all got that twist through them. Now, I thought it was a white twist. It's actually not. It's different shades of those greens. Those greens and colours that are in there are twisted in with that. That is beautiful. Look at it on that. That is beautiful. I love that. I love variegated yarn. I really do love variegated yarn. So that is that one. Is that the same one? That's the same one. And again, it's going to have the 100 grams in weight. It's a weight 4. It's got 240 yards or 220 meters. Now that one I can see is the same one. So there's 3 of those. I'll pop those down there. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at this one. Look at that. That is beautiful. Now this one is Rhapsody. Rhapsody 5762. I had no problem at all with that. Rhapsody. That is a beautiful. This is all burgundies and lilacs and blues. Look at that. There is sort of a purplish blue in there. That is beautiful. I like that one. So that one's Rhapsody, and so are those two. They're together. Now this one is, that's the one I couldn't really see. That's Vibrto. Vibrto. We'll go with Vibrto. Just be careful what you say. This number is 5767. Look at those colours. They're beautiful. Now that's actually, my camera's showing this for some reason as a blue, but it's actually like a really pretty green. When you hold it down there, you can see it. When you bring it up, it kind of goes to like a blue. It's like a sea green. It's like a turquoisey sea Mediterranean green with greys. Look at that. There's greys, there's blues. Oh, that one's got lemon through it. Look at that. It's beautiful. And it's soft. It feels so soft. So that one is Vibrto 5767. Struggling with seeing that one. Now, oh, look at these. This one, that's the bottom of the box. So I'll leave that one in there. Now, this one is Sonata. Look at that. That is so pretty. This one, the shade number is 5763. This is King Cole Crescendo Aran. That's beautiful. And Aran is a 408. I love those colours twisted in with that. Absolutely beautiful. I like to have a little look in the middle and see what it looks like in the middle. It's all raspberries and like that sort of banoffee colours. And there, that's beautiful. I'll pop that back in there because we've got this one next and then that one. So there's 3 of those. This one is Serenade. Serenade, that is beautiful. It's blues, a sort of off-white, grey, like a silver almost in there. There's beautiful emerald blues. Look at that. That's beautiful. It's like they've taken 3 threads of colour and twisted it all in. That is beautiful. And it goes into this nice silver. There's a really light, if I hold it down a bit, a silver. Now, emerald, that's pretty. Look at that, that is beautiful. I'm going to leave that one in there. And this one is the last one. That's nice. There's a lot more of that sort of sea, sort of bluey green in this one. This one is Tempo. This one is called Tempo. The number for this one is 5761. Did I give you the number for that? I think I did. The number for this one, got my hair on there. The number for this one is 5760 for that one. And this one is 5761. That is beautiful. That one's called Tempo. These are beautiful. I'm going to have fun with these. I wonder if I've got another one that you could mix and match that with. Do you know, one that's maybe just got that bright blue or that sort of emerald green that's mixed in there, and you could do a little mix and match. I'm sure I could find a King Cole solid colour, maybe in an emerald green or something that would match in with that. Oh, there's a nice raspberry in there as well. Look at that one's got all different colours in there. That's beautiful. This is beautiful yarn, and it's really soft. Oh, it smells delicious. It smells so clean and fresh. Oh, yum. I like that. And that one's the same. I showed you that one. So this is one of the new yarns for King Cole. There is another one coming out almost the same time as this one, and it's a little bit more chunkier. I'll do that in the next video, the other one. So if you think you might like this, then there are sellers on, just Google King Cole Crescendo Aran. It will bring up lots of suppliers that sell this. You can go on King Cole's website and see all the patterns. I'm surprised I didn't get any patterns with this one. Usually when they send a sample of yarn, they send the patterns as well. But you can use any patterns that King Cole have brought out, even other ones. It doesn't have to be a King Cole pattern. You can make whatever you like with this. It is beautiful for the autumn. Beautiful. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. It's completely free. Help my channel grow a bit more so I can get my videos seen a little bit more on YouTube. And if you click on the bell icon, YouTube will tell you when I bring out another video. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.